Hola amigos, welcome to Costa Rica on this rainy day. But today is the day we take possession of our new property, our new farmhouse. There it is. I'm going to take you for a little tour. I'm so excited. It's almost 3 acres, a ton of food on it. So I'll take you for a little tour as much as I can in the rain. Hi, Claude. Here's the main cabin. And in it, we've got, it's a bit of a bedroom. Almost like a little apartment. Oh. Creepy rustic bathroom? Sure, why not? Here's our big rancho. So this is going to be our outdoor living space. Kitchen, living, and dining room once we build it. There's our view. Those are the mountains of Panama over there. All this property is ours. So, come in behind the house. There's the Mikey.
Welcome to my dungeon.
Our dungeon. This is going to be converted to our bedroom once we make it bigger and habitable for humans. It isn't right now. There's like a dungeon-like shower and a dungeon-like toilet. So we'll see. We've got our bodega and chicken coop. We don't currently have any chickens, but we're gonna have chickens and turkeys and a couple of peacocks as soon as we can. This is the back of the house. So we've got bananas, oranges, limes. This is a cacao tree, so they make chocolate out of these. So we have a bunch of those. Looks like they're ripe actually. More bananas. Oh, he's got tomatoes growing. Well, we have tomatoes growing. So there's the back of the apartment. And this is a vine called a chayote. It's like kind of like a root vegetable. Starchy something. They use it in almost everything. Oh, that's a pretty bird. So a huge stand of the most gigantic bamboo you've ever seen. It's building bamboo, so you can use that to build things with. I have plans. A bunch of banana trees. More banana trees. And this is the part that Mikey's really excited about. A ton of pineapples in various states of readiness. This is all sugar cane. Oop, I just destroyed that pineapple plant. He's got corn growing at the bottom of this hill. I won't go down there because I don't know how steep it is yet, and because it's really wet and slippery. Here's another lime tree. More bananas. Lots of bananas and sugarcane. these bloody limes, Mike. So this is where we're gonna plant the coffee. This is the hill he prepared for planting the coffee, and the coffee plants are here and over there. So a nice view past the hill.
Here's the river.
So our property goes all the way down this hill. And I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a river down there. Our property goes down to that river. I'm not going to go down there right now because I don't want to fall in. But this is ours. All this land here, that's all ours. Right to that line of trees right there. This is all ours. And there's the family in the house back there. And the neighbor's house right there. It's the only neighbor you can really see from the property. So, this is my new kingdom. I had a lot of work to do. I'm so excited though. I guess I better start picking fruit.